What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to manage location permissions on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on location. Now click on app permissions, and from here you can manage the location permission for all of these apps. So just simply tap on an app in which you want to manage the location permissions, and from here if you don't want to allow this app to access the location permission, then select don't allow, and from the pop-up again tap on don't allow anyway to confirm. And if you want to allow this app to access the location permission, then tap on allow while using the app. So that's how you can allow or disallow a app. Now here you will be able to see the recent access of the apps. So these apps accessed your location permissions. So just simply tap on app from here, and from here you can also allow or disallow the app to use location permission. So that's how you can manage location permissions in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.